Hello everyone and welcome back. So today we're showing you the S22 true wireless earbuds. We've made a video unboxing and showing you guys them, and for today's video we're going to do similar, but I'm also going to show you guys how you set this up. So we're going to go a quick overview on what they look like in case you forget from our last video. This is them. They're very small. The pod, very nice and compact. So what you do is you place each earbud down inside and they will automatically charge themselves. What you do is you take their charging cable, you plug this in the back and you charge the little pod case. As you can probably see, it's green. That means they're both fully charged. And you can charge this pod with any USB port, and the pod stays charged, so you don't have to continuously keep this in. You can take this on the go because this stores battery in here that charges your earphones, but you do want to charge it from time to time, your whole pod. Okay, so now that we've explained that, now let me show you guys how you pair this and how you set it up. So on your device, whatever you are going to be using, if it's your iPod, your tablet, your phone, make sure you turn Bluetooth on. So have Bluetooth on, go under your settings and turn Bluetooth on. Once you have Bluetooth on, keep your Bluetooth page up. So go under your Bluetooth page. For a lot of people with Androids, if you hover down over your Bluetooth and you press and hold it, it brings up your Bluetooth page. So if you can't find it, then go under your phone or tablet or MP3 player settings and go under Bluetooth and make sure it's on, and then leave that page up. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take the earbuds out. As you can see, as soon as you pull them out, they're going to start trying to pair. So they're going to be blinking. As you can see, they're trying to pair. So what we're going to go and do, we're going to hit pair new device, and now it's going to search for these, and now it came up S22. So we're going to go ahead and select that, and now we're going to do allow and pair. Okay, now it's active, and now it says battery life 90%. Now these are both paired, so now you can go ahead, put them in your ear. For us, we're just going to bring it up to the camera lens and turn some music on and let you guys listen. So I'm now going to load one of my videos. Once we go through the ad, you know you gotta love the ads. So go through the ad, and now we're going to play with my video. So we're working on this right now. This is the other 3 panels are to one bag. You guys hear the audio? These are to another. Make sure, I'll take my phone and put it way across the room. That way you guys know that it's from these. What to do with them, because this is my biggest bank that I have connected. It's much louder in person. You know, you guys are listening from a microphone through another microphone. Setting it up better. But yeah, they work really good. And as you guys saw, it is extremely easy to set up. You know, very, 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 very easy to set up. They make it so easy, and you have multiple different languages. So, you know, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different languages. Active. So you can activate the 2-year warranty card by scanning the QR code, and it's very simple. You know, they go over everything. Now with these, you can actually, you know, the great thing about these, which we didn't talk about in the other video, is you can control the volume and you can control everything with this. So let me see if we can show you. It's going to be easier just to show you guys right here. So if you swipe up or tap on the left hand, you can play and pause, answer and hang up phone calls, reject call, You can skip forward or go in reverse, and you can adjust the volume left or right. You could do voice assistant as well. So please refer to your manual for more information on how that exactly works. But they are really designed smart, practical, and they work good. So those are the features and operation. And again, it's very easy, very easy to connect them and stay connected with your device. And again, when you're done, all you have to do is put them back in the case like that, and they'll automatically start charging from your case. Very simple, very easy, my friends.